Want to ace the GRE vocabulary and have some filmy fun while you're at it? Let's decode 20 powerful GRE words, all with Bollywood flair. Why it matters? Well, these are high-frequency GRE words and you won't forget them because we are linking each one to a Bollywood scene that you love. Well, before we begin, each word segment includes word plus meaning, pronunciation tip, sentence and Bollywood connection. Word 1. Audacious, meaning fearlessly bold or daring. Bollywood time. Ranveer Singh in Padmavat. His audacious entry into the Rajput court, pure madness. She made an audacious decision to apply to all Ivy League schools. Word 2. Loquacious, meaning very talkative. Bollywood tie-in. Kareena Kapoor in Jab We Met.
Now, my favorite one.
Classic energy. Classic loquacious energy. A loquacious speaker can engage a crowd or tire them, and so on. Word 3. Ubiquitous, meaning present everywhere. Bollywood time. Shah Rukh Khan's presence in the 2000s. From K3T to Kal Ho Na Ho, SRK was ubiquitous in every genre, every poster and every heart. Social media is so ubiquitous, it's hard to unplug for even a day. Word 4. Belligerent, meaning hostile and aggressive. Bollywood time. Well, we have Sanjay Dutt as Kanchachina in Agnipath. His belligerent tone and look made him one of the most intimidating villains ever. His belligerent attitude in the meeting caused unnecessary tension. Word 5. Pragmatic, meaning dealing with things sensibly and realistically. Taapsee Pannu in Thappad. She wasn't emotional, she was pragmatic. She knew that one slap meant something deeper. Well, a pragmatic solution often works better than an idealistic one in real-world problems. Word 6. Ephemeral, meaning lasting for a very short time. Bollywood time. The love story in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil between Ranbir Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai. That kind of love. It's intense, painful and ephemeral. Fame on reality shows is often ephemeral, gone in a flash. Word 7. Valiant, meaning bold, daring or fearless. Sometimes reckless also. Bollywood time. We have Ranveer Singh's fashion at award shows. From skirts to sequins, Ranveer's style is nothing if not valiant. She made a valiant move by quitting her job to become a filmmaker. Word 8. Cacophony, meaning a harsh jarring mixture of sounds. Bollywood time. Indian traffic plus dhol plus barat plus horns in Band Baja Barat. The barat wasn't music, it's pure cacophony and you will just love it. The cacophony of voices in the debate made it impossible to focus. Word 9. Enigma, meaning a person or a thing that is mysterious or difficult to understand. Bollywood time. Katrina Kaif's character in Fittoor. She's stunning, cold and unreadable, a perfect enigma. Well, Einstein was a genius but also an enigma to many of his peers. Word 10. Capitulate, meaning to give in or surrender, often after resistance. Bollywood time. Kajol finally falling for SRK in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. Well, she resisted, she fought, but then she capitulated at the train station. The company capitulated to the demands of the striking workers. Hold on, are you loving it? Pause and comment below which Bollywood character you think best fits the word gregarious. I'll reply with my take there. Word 11. Magnanimous, meaning very generous or forgiving, especially towards a rival or someone less powerful. Bollywood time. Salman Khan in Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Well, he helped a lost girl across the border. That's not just kind, it's magnanimous. After winning the debate, she was magnanimous and praised her opponent's points. Word 12. Pernicious, meaning harmful in a subtle or grateful way. Bollywood time. Toxic family dynamics in Animal, Kabir Singh or Darlings. Love can turn pernicious when it comes with control or obsession. The spread of misinformation online can have pernicious effects on society. Word 13. Resilient, meaning able to recover quickly from setbacks or difficulties. Bollywood time. Kangana Ranaut's character in Queens. Dumped before her wedding, she goes solo to Europe. That's resilience. Startups fall often, but resilient founders keep trying until they succeed. Word 14. Superfluous, more than is necessary or unnecessary. Bollywood time. The 8th dance step in every Rohit Shetty song. Do we need a slow-mo car explosion in every 10 minutes? That's superfluous. Her report was detailed, but the 10-page appendix was superfluous. Word 15, tenacious, persistent, determined, not giving up easily. Of course, Farhan Akhtar in Bhag Mika Bhag. He trained through pain, poverty, and past trauma. That's tenacity. She was tenacious in a GRE prep, studying every day without fail. Word 16, amorous, showing romantic desire. Well, here we see romantic gaze or poetic vibes. Well, if someone is amorous, they're expressing love, often romantically. He wrote amorous letters that made her heart race. Word 17, venerate, to deeply respect or revere. Bollywood time, the way fans treat Amitabh Bachchan. He is not just an actor, he is venerated like a demigod. Well, many cultures venerate their elders for their wisdom and life experience. Word 18, wistful, having a feeling of vague sadness or longing. Bollywood time, Ranbir Kapoor in Tamasha. That look at his 9-to-5 desk job, that's pure wistfulness, longing for passion. She gave a wistful smile as she passed her childhood school. Word 19, zealot, a person who is fanatical and uncompromising in pursuit of their ideals. Bollywood time, Manoj Bajpayee in Gangs of Wasseypur. Driven by revenge, willing to lose everything, that's a zealot in action. Online zealots can spread misinformation by refusing to consider other viewpoints. Word 20, ambivalent, having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. Bollywood time, Alia Bhatt in Kapoor and Sons. Well, she likes him but also she doesn't want to commit. That's ambivalence. He felt ambivalent about moving abroad, excited for the future but sad to leave. Alright, that's a wrap. So today we learned these words. Feel free to pause here and review. Well, which word was your favorite? If you want a part 2, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun vocabulary and GRE prep content. See you soon.